Get back in there. There you go.
There we go.
Saul's like, oh man, right in my face.
Your tail is just soaking wet. Well, it's supposed to go in, huh? Come on, Saul.
Tucker, are you gonna go in? Tucker? Kasha? Come on, Kasha. Barley, what are you doing? Hey, Max. Porter. Alaska, what are you doing? She's gonna be a while before she's dry.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he won't get in. Ronnie! Barley! Barley, where are you? I know you're under there somewhere.
Good boy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Kasha! There's the barley. Barley, barley! Kasha! Hey, sweetheart. Come here. No, all right. Ronnie! Hey, sweetheart. How are you? You want to get in the water? Go get in the water.
Come, Max. Come on.
Bosco. Bosco. Hey. Go get in the water, big guy. You're all wet, so you must have been in there. Gonna roll in the dirt. Hey, Roofy. Roofy, Roofy. Saul, get in the water.
Come on, Saul. Come on. Come on.